Hi parents, this is Miss Teruel. I am your child's third grade teacher at Hawkins Elementary. I wanted to make you guys a quick video. I'm going to be having a couple of communication changes that we're going to make for this school year. It'll be especially easy for all my parents who are on the go, maybe do a lot of running around with your students, and any parents who often need extra reminders maybe. This is going to be great for change for you guys. Communication app we're going to be using this year, it is called Simply Circle. I don't know if you've heard of it or not. It's going to help me give all you guys all of the information that we're going to need for the school year. It's all going to be in one place. We're not going to have to hassle with sending out emails and maybe it going into spam, and it's really going to help us cut down with all of the paper flyers that we send home that so many times get lost in students' backpacks or students misplaced and they never really get to you guys by the time they're supposed to turn it in or bring it home. So it gets lost in the transfer, as a lot of us teachers like to say. So Simply Circle is going to help us kind of keep all of that information in one house, in one place for the whole homeroom, all your teachers' class. So that's what we're going to be implementing today. It's very easy to use. You can download the app on your phone. I'm going to show you guys really quick what it looks like when you pull it up on your phone. You can use smartphones, Apples, Androids. If you have apps and you're always on the go, this is going to be super easy to use. So when you pull up your phone, Simply Circle looks just like this tiny S with the circle. Once you've downloaded the app Simply Circle onto your phone, you can go into your personal email account on your phone, and you should have received an email from Simply Circle. Your email will look something like this when you pull it up. Simply click the blue button that says for you to join our class, and you will register your email from there. It'll take you to the website. You can register your email. It'll ask you for your first name, your last name, and then you'll do create account. Once logged in to Simply Circle, you'll be able to access my home screen. You'll find things like field day information, homework that I sent home for last week, weekly wrap-up, and field day supplies needed for school. Let's go ahead and look at our homework for next week. I have created an attachment that you can pull up with your phone. Let's say your student loses their homework, or you just want to access what their homework is for the week. You are able to click the file and download the homework to your phone to print. You can also pull up events that are going on. For instance, field day, I suggested the students wear closed-toed shoes that they can run in. Make sure if you're going, it'll have important information about the day and the time that you can add to your calendar. And then it'll notify you as that day gets closer. Another thing I added on here was the sign-up lists. So for instance, donations needed for field day, I have put on a sign-up list, and then you can volunteer to bring something if you'd like, and it'll tell you exactly what you need to bring in that sign-up. You can also volunteer to help out in the school. Let me know you're going to be there. On posts, you can comment, like our parents have commented in this post. Jade told me her son lost her homework, and I told her where she would be able to find it on the class. Lindsay told me that she'd like to help volunteer with her daughter, so she'll know where to look at as she goes through the app and finds more information. With that being said, I hope you guys found this tutorial to be quite easy. I hope you guys will get a chance to log on and look at the app for yourselves. Make sure you sign up this week. Thank you again to all my parents who helped me make this video, and I cannot wait for all the amazing communication we're going to be doing this year.